So now you have the last topic, graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution. The graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution. There are two types of cumulative frequency distributions. One is the cumulative frequency of less than type. Second one, cumulative frequency of more than type. So one is the cumulative frequency of less than type and one more is the cumulative frequency of more than type. So less than ogive or less than type means so less than ogive. So in this method an ogive is a cumulative upward. So in this case an ogive is a cumulative upward. Scale the cumulative frequency along y-axis. You have to take cumulative frequency along y-axis and the upper limit along x-axis. You have to take upper limits along x-axis and the cumulative frequency along y-axis. So this is the less than type. So in this method an ogive is cumulated upwards. So scale the cumulative frequency along y-axis and the upper limits along x-axis. More than ogive. So one more type you have, more than ogive. In this method an ogive is cumulated downwards. So the last it is upwards, now it is in the downwards. Scale the cumulative frequency along y-axis. Cumulative frequency along y-axis same as it is. The cumulative frequency is along y-axis and the lower limits along x-axis. So the last we have to take upper limits here. So now lower limits along x-axis. Draw less than ogive and more than ogive for the following distribution and hence find its median So less than type you have to take cumulative frequency y-axis and you have to take upper limits along x-axis. So less than type upper limit. More than ogive you have the cumulative frequency y-axis and the lower limit. You have to take lower limit along x-axis. Draw a less than or more than ogive for the following distribution, hence find its median. So class 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. So frequencies they given 10, 8, 12, 24, 6, 25, 15. So now we have to draw a tabular column such that the first column is the class interval or classes. The first classes we have to substitute frequency. The next column you have the frequency. The next you have the less than type column. So less than type column, in that you take y-axis and cumulative frequency less than type and cumulative frequency less than type. Since cumulated upwards, so you have to take cumulated upwards and you have to take upper limits, cumulative frequency and upper limit. You see that. So upper limits for this class is 30 and the cumulative frequency less than type means, so you have to write 10 here, 10. Okay, so upper limit is now 40. So now the cumulative frequency, so first you write the upper limit, then you know that. So 40, so upper limit is 50 here, so you write 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So these are all upper limits. So now the cumulative frequency, so write 10. So 8 plus 10, 18, 12 plus 18, 30, 24 plus 30, 54, 6 plus 54, 60, 25 plus 60, 85, 15 plus 85, you get 100. It is very easy. As it is, you find the median the last time. So more than type is it somewhat different. So you have to write lower limit. So in the more than type you have the lower limit. So less than type you know that upper limit and cumulative frequency you know that. So now the lower limits you have 20 lower limit, 30, 40, 50, yes, is it 50, and 60, 70, 80. You see that here you get upper limit 90, lower limit 80. So more than type you get first from the last. So you have to write, if you get n is equal to 100 here, so if you add you get 100. So first you write 100. So first you write 100 here. So this 100 you write here. Then 100 minus 10, 100 minus 10 you get 90. 90 minus 8 you get 82, 82 minus 12 you get 70, 70 minus 24 you get 46, 46 minus 6 you get 40, 40 minus 25 you get 15, 15 minus 15, so that you get 0. Finally you get 0. So here you get 100, here you get 15. Okay, next. Okay, there is one more method. We have the more than. So first you write 15. So 15 plus 25 you get 40, 40 plus 6 46, and 46 plus 24 you get 70, 70 plus 12 you get 82, 82 plus 8 you get 90, 90 plus 10 you get 100. So this also you go through. Then we plot the point 30 to 10, 40 to 18. So you have 30 to 10, 40 to 18, 50 to 30, 60 to 54, 70, 60, 80, 85, 90, 100. So you see that 30 to 10, 40, 18, 50, 30, 60, 54, 70, 60, 80, 85, 90, 100. Then we get the less than ogive. So this is the column of the less than ogive. So next, like this, we plot the point 20 to 20, 100, 30, 90. So 30, 90, 40, 82, 40, 82, 50, 70, 50, 70, 60, 46. So like this, 70, 40, 80, 15, 80, 15. Then you get the more than type ogive. So this is the construction of a graph. You see that. So scale y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 units, x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 units. You see that. So x-axis you take class limits. So 0 to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So this is a class limits. So this is a class limits, and in that column you take a cumulative frequency from 10 to 100. 10 to 100. The first point is 30 to 10. 30 to 10. So x-axis you have 30, y-axis 10. So 30 to 10. 30 to 10. So the next 40 to 18. 42. So you have 40 here. 18 is almost here. So 40 to 18. So next 50 to 30. 50 to 30. 50 to 30. So next 60 to 54. 60 to 54. 60 to 54. Almost here. 60 to 54. So 70 to 60. 70 to 60. Then 80 to 85. 80 to 85. 90 to 100. 90 to 100. So this is the less than type. This is a less than type, and you see that it is accumulated upwards. Accumulated upwards. And one more you have more than type. More than type. The first point is 20 to 100. So 20 to 100. X-axis 20. Y-axis 100. So 20 to 100. So next 30 to 90. 30 to 90. So next 40 to 82. 50 to 70. 60 to 46. 70 to 40. 80 to 15. 80 to 15. So this is a graph. So median, you have to find the median now. So the n is equal to 100. N is equal to 100. N by 2 you get 50. N by 2 50. So mark the 50 in the cumulative frequency. So this is the scale 50. So take the line and cut the point and join to x-axis. So you get 58 here. So this is the median. So this is the median 58, and the intersection of less than type and more than type. So it is also the median 58. The intersection of less than type and more than type. So you get median. Okay, next question. The following distribution gives the daily income of 50 workers of a factory, daily income in rupees. So 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180, 180 to 200. So number of workers 12, 14, 8, 6, 10. So convert the distribution above to a less than type cumulative frequency distribution and draw its ogive. Draw its ogive. So this is a class interval frequency. So 100 to 120 frequency you have 12, 120 to 140 you have 14, 140 to 160 you have 8, 160 to 180 you have 6, and 180 to 200 10. So upper limits. So for the less than type you want upper limit. For the less than type you want upper limit. So write 120, 140, 160, 180 and 200. So now the cumulative frequency for less than type 12. So 12 plus 14, 12 plus 14 you get 26, 26 plus 8 you get 34, 34 plus 6 you get 40, 40 plus 10 you get 50. So now you plot the points. So first 120 to 120 comma 12, 140 comma 26, 160 comma 34, 180 comma 40 and 200 comma 50. So then we get the more than type ogive. So scale y-axis 1 centimeter equal to, so y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 workers, and x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 rupees 10. So x-axis 1 centimeter equal to rupees 10. The first point in x-axis you have 120, y-axis 12. Okay, 12 is here. Next point 140 and 26. 140 and 26. Next one 160, 36. 180, 40. Last one 200, 250. So median, the value of n you get 50. The value of n you have 50. So n by 2 you get 25. So take the line and cut the curve and join to x-axis. You get nearly 138. So the median is equal to 138. Median equal to 138. So the median is equal to 138 is here, 138. The following table gives the production yield per hectare of wheat of 100 farms of a village. Draw its more than ogive. The following table gives production yield per hectare of wheat of 100 farms of a village. Draw its more than ogive. Production yield kg per hectare 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, 75 to 80. So number of farms 2, 8, 12, 24, 38 and 16. So in that form you find the more than ogive. So write the class interval. Write the class interval. So 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, 75 to 80, and the frequency 2, 8, 12, 24, 38, 16, n equal to 100. They given 100 farms. So lower limits you have 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So now you find the more than type. So first you write 100 here. 100 minus 2, 98. 98 minus 8, 90. 90 minus 24, 78. 78 minus 38, 54. 54 minus 16 you get 16. There is one more method. You write 16 first. 16 plus 38 you get 54. 54 plus 24 you get 78. 78 plus 12 you get 90. 90 plus 8, 98. 98 plus 2, 100. So this is the column or the tabular column. So next we plot the points. We plot the point. So first 50 to 100, 50 to 100. The next one 55 to 98, 55, 98, 60, 90, 65, 78, 70, 54, and 75, 16. Then we plot the more than give. So y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 kilogram per hectare, and x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 farms. So see here. So this is a graph. The first point you have 50 to 100. See here, this is a 50. So 50 to the x-axis you have 50 and y-axis 100. So 100 is here. So next point you have 55 to 98. 55 x-axis you have 55 and y-axis you have 98. Third 60, 90, 60, 90, and the next one 65, 78. 70 is it almost here, 78. Next 70, 54. Last one 75, 16. Therefore n you have 100, so n by 2 you get 50. So cut it here and join it here, you get 70 point something, 70 point something. So one more homework you have. In annual day of a school, age wise participation of a students is shown in the following frequency distribution. Age of students in years: 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11, 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, and 17 to 19. So number of students you have 20, 18, 22, 25, 20, 15, and 10. So draw a less than type or give for the above data, and from it find the median age. So homework answer you get median you get 11.4. The median you get 11.4. Thank you.